Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add OnePay to Apple Wallet. So, step 1 is checking device compatibility. Make sure you're using an iPhone with Apple Wallet support and the latest OS version. Apple Wallet only works with supported debit or prepaid cards. Step 2 is confirming OnePay card support. Open OnePay app, go to the card section, check if your OnePay card supports Apple Pay. If Apple Pay is not shown, OnePay does not support Apple Pay wallet yet in your region. Step 3 is adding card via OnePay app if available. So if supported, tap the Add to Apple Wallet inside the OnePay app. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify the card using OTP or Face ID. Step 4 is adding card manually via Apple Wallet. So if there's no in-app option, open Apple Wallet, click plus add icon, choose debit or credit card and scan or enter your OnePay card's details manually. Then verify your card. So complete verification through OTP, SMS or in-app approval. Once verified, your OnePay card will appear in Apple Wallet. Important notes, not all OnePay cards support Apple Wallet. Availability depends on your country and card type, and if verification fails, contact OnePay support. Final tip, if Apple Wallet is not supported yet, you can still use the physical card or in-app payments. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.